This assessment asks us to work backwards to find a starting material and reagents that would be needed to form this product in an aldol addition reaction. I've gone ahead and marked the bond that's going to be formed in this aldol addition reaction. What we're looking for is a carbonyl with a 1-carbon spacer and then an alcohol. It's that bond between the alcohol carbon and that carbon spacer, that is the bond that's being formed in the aldol reaction. It also means that the side that is the alcohol used to be the electrophile side, the side that was being attacked by the enolate. And it means that the side with the carbonyl used to be the nucleophile side. It used to be the enolate that attacked the aldehyde to form the alcohol. That allows us to determine the starting material and reagents for this reaction. We've got a 5-carbon ketone. We're going to form an enolate at this carbon using LDA. So LDA will be our reagent for this reaction. And then we'll add the left side of this molecule as the aldehyde as the electrophile. So we've got our 2 carbons here, and then we've got our 5-carbon ring, the oxygens, and the ethyl groups. So this is the starting material and reagents that we would need to form this product using an aldol addition strategy.